Welcome to Food and Remedy. Today we are making garlic rice. It's a very easy recipe. To prepare this recipe, heat a teaspoon of ghee in a pan on medium heat. Once this ghee is hot enough, add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds. After it pops, add half teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Fry it for a few seconds. Then we have to add the main ingredient, which is garlic. So add 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. If they are large, chop them before adding. Fry it until it turns slightly golden brown. To this, add half of a Badigi red chili. Fry it until the garlics are well fried. It has to be crisp and golden brown. Finally, add 2 twigs of curry leaves, that is around 15 to 20 curry leaves. Turn off the heat and fry them for a few seconds. Now this is ready. The garlic turned golden brown and curry leaves are crisp. Add salt to taste. Mix it well and put this mixture on the hot rice. Mix it thoroughly and serve it to the new mom. Anyone can enjoy this garlic rice, not just new moms. You can add grated coconut to enhance the taste. So if you are giving it to a new mother, do not add coconut. I hope you enjoy making this garlic rice. For more recipes, visit our website and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.